Good morning, guys. Lovely morning. As you can see, nice and sunny, warm, t-shirt weather again. As you can see in the background, we're next to a runway, plane spotting. Yeah, we are at RAF Losiemouth, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Probably not, so I do excuse myself. But yeah, we've seen one of the bigger planes take off. Then we saw two typhoons get off in the air. I'll include some footage of that after I stop rambling. I can hear another jet testing its engines, so we will see in a minute. Maybe we get to see more. If not, we'll have to wait for the other two to come back to film them and take photos of them landing. I mean, I've had an experience of a bit of a closer to them quite a few years ago when I was doing the RAF Lake and Heath. Spent a week there helping out with the survey of their runway before they rebuilt a survey for the new fighter jets. About 8-10 years ago I was working in Conisby and Marham, so I've seen loads of typhoons in Conisby up close. Worked on one of the hangars as well. I have worked on demolishing the old radio control tower, so yeah, I've seen some interesting stuff. This time I'm on the other side of the fence, just spotting planes, hoping to see some good training today. I know for the last 2 days they were doing the formation for the King Charles coronation. Hopefully we get to see that today, but it was someone's very first experience. What you got to say about it?
Awesome, but I'm deaf. And I think I can see something flickering there.
Okay, so
Not sure.
oh yeah, that's the safety car just inspecting the runway, I guess, because it's on a runway. But yeah, guys, so that's where we are, to get you some footage, and yeah, enjoy the day out.
Well, you'd be surprised actually. You're not meant to be here.
Oh,
You normally get picked up by the traffic.
Second one incoming.
Or they're just like moving their spot.
So the heavy fog rolled in, they cancelled off the second takeoff. As you'll see in the video, two planes just taxied out on the runway, turned around, done a circle, go back in the hangars. Yeah, the cold came in with it, so we ran back in the van. Can't get it to focus through the windscreen anyway, guys. So yeah, looks like that's us for the day, for now. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit, chill, maybe make a cup of tea, or maybe second breakfast.
No. You had your breakfast, that's enough.
That was cereal, now we need a second brekkies.
Are you being
Well, you don't know what second brekkie is?
No.
But yeah, that's probably it for the day, unfortunately. We'll see off of that what we're doing, but yeah, thick fog rolled in off the sea, can't see nothing. There's still the big plane to come back, I'm guessing, but we'll see if that comes back. Or they're gonna wait till the fog rolls off. Or he's probably gonna stay there half day doing circles, whatever. Who knows? But anyway, that's the experience at RAF Losiemouth. Met one of the army guys as well playing spotting. Lovely chap. Had a good laugh, so that made the time go quick. There he goes, he's leaving his dad.
Bless you.
Oh.
You be blessed, my child.
Seems like I got a bit of cold outside. Because it was t-shirt weather until this thing rolled in. Then it started getting freezing. To a point where you could see your breath in the air. Yeah, gonna stick about for a little bit. But most of the locals packed up as well. Just standing by their cars. The tower car, safety car, whatever it's called, drove off as well. So it's either two things, it's a lunch break or they're done for the Friday. So yeah. Peace, guys.